Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. So this is a very different video. This is the first type of video I am doing in this channel. So I am just going to share the products that I have purchased recently, maybe in the month of July. I am going to share the products that I love the most. And the reason for me to share these products are, whenever I buy a product and if I find any disadvantages in it, I definitely share it with you all so that you can think twice before you purchase them. Likewise, I just wanted to share the products which I love the most, so that if in case you are planning to purchase one, you can definitely consider buying these products. So come on, let's get started. So the first product that I wanted to share with you all is not the product that I have purchased. This is a gift from one of my subscribers. So I just wanted to dedicate this video for her, and her name is Intijama. She is from Erode. She sent me this wonderful gift and also a handwritten letter. And I would also love to read it out for you guys. I have it safely with me. I have also taken a picture of it. And she has written, "Hi Sunitha ma'am, nalla irukingla? I am Intijama from Erode. Ungala enakku romba pudikkum. Your voice is awesome. Neenga your home ku vaanga please. இங்கே பேக்கிங் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒருத்தர் இப்படி பண்ணி கொடுத்தாரு. ஸோ பேக்கிங் இப்படி இருக்குன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க, எல்லாரையும் கேட்டதா சொல்லுங்க. ஐ லவ் யூ, ஐ மிஸ் யூ மேம். சும்மா ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்மால் கிஃப்ட் தான். ஷி ஹஸ் கிவன் ஹர் மொபைல் நம்பர். இன்னும் எழுதணும்னு ஆசை, பட் இது போதும். பை இன்திஜாமா. எஸ், ஐ லவ் யூ ஸோ மச் இன்திஜாமா. It is not about the gift that she has sent me, it is about the effort that she has taken to send me this gift. It really means a lot to me. Honestly, I am saying, I truly don't know if I am a deserving person for all your love and care. This truly comes from my heart. I am feeling more responsible, and I will definitely promise you that I will give you the best and useful videos in the future. 2 more weeks for this house work to get finished, and after which you can see multiple organization routine videos from this channel, which I am sure you all will enjoy. So I will show you the product that she has sent me. It is a cute hot box which is orange in color. She did also send me a clock, but unfortunately I was not able to bring it now when I recorded this video. I am sorry for that. So this is the hot box that she has sent me. Thank you so much Intijama for all this effort that you have taken. So first I am going to start with all my favorite makeup brands that I have purchased recently, and you might think, why am I promoting more makeup brands nowadays? It is for my personal use, and I have decided to do videos for a channel named DD Podigai. So I am going to continue it. Actually I have been doing it, but I have stopped it for the past 4-5 months I believe, because of our home construction. So I am going to start it from next month. So I just wanted to present myself in a good way. So that is the reason I have invested in some good makeup products. So I'll share the products that I love the most so that it might help you. Come on. So the first product that I love is this Wet n Wild Cover All Concealer Palette, and the price of this is around 450, but definitely you will get good offers in Purplle. That is where I bought all these products. And whenever I buy some costly makeup products, I always invest in products that has multiple features or advantages in this, and that this product is one among them. So this Wet n Wild Concealer Palette has 4 shades in it. So one is for highlighting, one is for brightening, and one is for neutralizing, and one is to cover all our pigmentation. So this is just like 4-in-1 palette. So that is the reason I invested in this, and I'm really loving this so far. And the next is this Makeup Revolution palette. And again, this is the price of this is 850, but I got it for around 700 rupees I guess from Purplle. Maybe there would be good discount now because of the sale. I'll check and give you the links in the description box again. And the reason for me to purchase this is again 3-in-1. It has a bronzer, a highlighter, and also a blusher. So most of you would have known bronzer is to bring a shape to your face, and highlighter to highlight some features like here and here, and blusher is to bring out your cheeks. So these are the features in this. So again, this is a 3-in-1 palette. So I can definitely assure that you can invest in this. And the next product is this essential oil. I do have few collections in essential oil. Essential oils can be used in multiple ways. Calm your mood, to keep your kitchen clean, for your personal care. There are many uses for essential oil. The essential oil that I am showing you now is the fennel seed one. I use this for hair spa nowadays, and it soothes my scalp. And I did also notice that dandruff is getting controlled because of this oil. and the brand is Alps Goodness, and the price of this is just 99 rupees. I'll definitely make a dedicated video on all the essential oils that I have and also the uses of it in future. And the next product is this Nivea Deo Roll On. I am a person who sweat always, so I don't feel comfortable at times, so I always need a deodorant. Using only perfume will definitely not help me, so I am a person who need roll on every time. So this one is my favorite so far, and it is Nivea Pearl and Beauty Smooth and Beautiful Underarms Roll On. And the next product is this SQ lipstick. You would have seen this in most of my videos, but then again I just wanted to show you the shade. So this is the shade that I am wearing now. This is again in the pink tint. So that's it. I'm not going to bore you with any other makeup products anymore. So I'll show you the dress collections, not all the dress collections. One of my favorite dresses from the collections that I have bought recently. Come on. So the dress that I love the most is this one. So this is a red color kurti. It has some golden details in it. So this is very simple. It is not looking very grand, but the reason why I love this dress the most is because of this skirt. So we don't have the regular palazzo or the regular legging type of pant for this dress. So it is this skirt, so it gives a good ethnic look and it gives a grand look. You can wear it for any parties or functions. This is a sleeveless top, but they have provided sleeves inside this kurti. If you want, you can attach sleeves too. And you can also pair the skirts with any other top without this kurti. So this is also a 2-in-1 dress, I should say. And I bought this from Trends. And the next dress is for my cute little daughter. So this has a denim jean shorts for this. And I bought this from Hopscotch. And the price of this is around 600 rupees. I'll also give the links in the description box below. This is very cute, but I have not tried this on my daughter yet because this is a little bigger in size. Maybe I'll wear this dress after a few months and I'll include it in a vlog. So this is so cute. That's it. These are my favorites for the month of July. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up so that I will know that you like and you are enjoying these kind of videos, and I can make multiple series of this. And do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. And if you're new to this channel and if you like watching my videos, please do consider subscribing to this channel, and it really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.